Mm, Good morning once again, all my dear students. This is Suresh Babu, MG from Government First Grade College, Gauri Bitnor, right? So this is financial accounting video lecture recording for the purpose of to assist you students only. So your duty to learn it. Okay. So this is what the screen that I am sharing to you. I hope you better understand it, right? You could see, watch, and repeat it. Places number 6, what is missing? Closing debtors is missing. From the following particulars relating to Bangalore branch for the year ending 31st March 2015, prepare necessary accounts in the books of head office. Okay. So opening stock 1/4/2014, 22,500. Opening debtors 1/4/2014, 45,000. Opening petty cash 450. Goods sent, so 3,78,000. Remittances, cash sales received from debtors 9,000, 3,15,000, total 4,05,000. And credit sales 3,22,000. Checks sent, salary, rent and rates, petty cash 13,500, 2,250, 1,650, total 17,400. Petty cash at the branch. See, this is closing date is given, whatever 300 rupees, it is to be recorded on the credit side of the branch account directly. No calculations. So goods returned by the branch, 3,000, which has to be credited to branch account. Okay. Then what is missing here? What is missing? See, credit sales is given to you, right? Opening debtors is given. Cash received from debtors is given. Correct. Then closing debtors. So what is missing? Closing debtors is missing. So what is that? We need to ascertain closing debtors first. Okay. Total debtors account. To balance brought down 45,000. By balance carried down. This you should not write now itself. They are posting. So opening balance, closing balance. Closing balance is the balancing figure. So credit sales 3,42. Cash received from debtors by bank account 3,15,000. Here it is written cash. You can even write bank 3,15,000. If you balance it, you are getting 72,000 rupees closing balance of debtors. Okay. Now in the books of head office, Bangalore branch account for the year ending 31st March 2015. Very simple. So opening stock 22,500. Opening debtors 45,000, opening petty cash. These are all opening assets. No opening liabilities, you don't write. Okay. Goods sent to branch 3,78,000. You know it very well, right? Then along with that, to bank account because expenses have been sent, salaries, rent and rates, petty expenses. 13,500, 2,250, 1,650 total, 17,400. After writing this, okay, there is remittance by the branch to head office. Cash sales received from debtors. So both 4,05,000. Goods sent to branch. This is returns 3,000 rupees from branch to head office. Closing stock, closing debtors, closing petty cash. See, opening stock, opening debtors, opening petty cash. Closing stock 37,500. Closing debtors, which we have ascertained here, 72,000. Closing petty cash, which is given in the sum 300. Okay. Now balance it. 5,17,800. 5,17,800. Kindly check the totals once again. So profit is 54,450. This is purely optional branch debtors account. This is opening balance 45,000, closing balance 72,000. Opening balance 45,000, closing balance 72,000. Total 1,17,000. Right? That is opening debtors and closing debtors. Next. Seventh sum. Right? So closing debtors and cash are not given. Both are missing. Nirmala Stores, Bangalore, having branch at Kolar. Goods are supplied to the branch at cost price. Branch has been instructed to send all cash daily to the head office. All the expenses are paid by the head office, except petty expenses which are met by the branch manager. From the following particulars prepared, branch account in the books of Nirmala Stores, Bangalore head office. So opening stock 1/4/2014, 15,000. Sundry debtors opening 9,000. Office furniture opening 400. Correct. So then cash in hand 400. Office furniture 2,400. I'm sorry. These are all opening assets which will be debited to what? Branch account. Then goods sent to branch 85,000. Goods returned 6,000. 85,000 debited to branch account. 6,000 is credited to branch account. Okay. Then cash received from debtors. There is cash sales, credit sales, 30,000, 50,000. Correct. So cash sales is given. So you would be returning it to head office by recording it on the credit side. Credit sales has been given to you 50,000. Why? To help you to find out closing debtors. Right. Discount allowed to debtors 600 rupees. Even this has to be recorded in memorandum debtors account. Correct. Then expenses paid by the head office: rent, salary, printing, and station 1,200, 2,400, 300 total 3,900. Petty expenses paid by the branch manager 280 rupees. Okay. This is what? Petty expenses paid by the branch manager. That means manager of the branch has spent it. Opening balance was 400. What is this? Petty cash minus. How much you spent? 280. How much is closing? Difference 120. This is also missing. We need to calculate. Then depreciation is still provided on branch furniture 10% per annum. That we can do. Closing stock 16,000. Now total debtors. What is missing? Closing balance of debtors 7,920 is missing. So opening 9,000, credit sales 30,000. This is by bank account 30,000, cash received from debtors, discount 600 rupees. Goods returned by debtors. Remember, this is what? Goods returned by debtors 480 rupees. Debtors have returned goods to branch. That means which is sales returns. Okay, don't forget. If you balance it 39,000, 7,920 is closing debtors balancing. In the books of head office, that is Nirmala Stores, Kolar branch account, 31st March 2021. Opening assets, 2 stock, 2 petty cash, 2 debtors, 15,400, 9,000. Okay. 2 office furniture, 2,400. Goods sent to branch, 85,000. Okay. Goods sent to branch, which is returns, 6,000, credit side. Then 2 bank account, branch account to bank account, rent, salaries, printing and stationery 1,200, 2,300, total 3,900. Now by bank account remittances to head office. So that is cash sales receipts from debtors 50 plus 30, 80,000. So closing stock now before closing 16,000. Closing debtors 7,920. This item, right? Closing petty cash 400 opening, expenses 280. 120. See, indirectly it is given. It is to be read properly understood. Furniture 2,400, 10% 240. If you subtract it, 2,160. Now you balance it. This is the particular sum first time they are getting. Which side is more? Debit side is more. 1,15,700, 1,15,700. Please cross check. Difference is loss. Branch loss, that is by general profit and loss account. This is the first time. Please cross check once again, right? How many sums we have done? 2 sums we have done. Okay. Revise it, repeat it once again, learn it. So number 7, right? Illustration 7. What is that? Homework. What do you need to do? Double the figures. Right? And solve the sum. Today, if I come to class, this is the question which I would be asking everybody. So after watching it, as usual, okay, send your valuable feedback. Revise it, review it, learn it, and get the benefit spread across and Tell everybody to subscribe. Each student, see to that 10 students will be motivated outside our college so that number of subscribers would grow and increase in my channel, for my channel. Thank you, one and all.